Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let's see how pineapples are good for weight loss, its benefits and a simple recipe using pineapple. Let's start. Pineapple is not just a juicy tropical fruit but associated with many health benefits too. It correctly says that pineapple aids in weight loss and it contains a fair amount of fiber that helps to control your blood sugar level. It also helps you from eating less as you have a feeling of fullness after you eat the delicious fruit. It is rich in many nutrients like calcium, vitamin C and manganese. Pineapples are one among the favorite fruits that you may eat in a variety of ways. You may either grill them and eat with meat pieces or toss with other nuts to make a smoothie. You will love to incorporate the pineapple pieces in your diet no matter how to eat them. It is your favorite snack fruit. Now let's see how pineapples may aid in weight loss. Pineapple is responsible for weight loss is not entirely evident. Few types of research have to prove that pineapple juice may help in reducing fat and increase the breakdown of fats. Even though if it is not justifying that the fruit is good for weight loss, but it is low in calories, high amount of vitamins and minerals and does not include trans fats. We are not sure of its authenticity about weight loss, but it fills you up faster without the intake of calories. In other words, you end up eating a lot of fruit in either ice cream or a smoothie that is low in calories and help in losing weight. Now let's see the benefits of eating pineapples. A few impressive health benefits of pineapple associated with weight loss include proper digestion, boosting immunity, and many others. It loads with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B, manganese, protein, etc. The antioxidants present in the fruit helps to fight against many chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Pineapple contains digestive enzymes bromelain that breaks down protein and eases digestion. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may help in boosting the immune system and provide relief from arthritis. Eating pineapples may help easy recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise due to the inflammatory properties present in it. Lastly, a very delicious fruit may incorporate in your diet in any of the meals of the day. Now let's see how to make a simple recipe using pineapple. Fruit salsa is great to add in your diet to reduce a few inches and give you a flap-free body. Now let's see and note down the ingredients of the delicious fruit salsa. For this you need 1 cup of pineapple diced, 1/4 carrot, 1/4 tomato, 1/4 red onion, 1/4 colorful bell peppers, half apple, few drops of lemon juice, and spices like salt, black pepper powder and dried basil. Now let's see how to make a simple pineapple salsa that will reduce your weight. Firstly, peel the pineapple, cut it into small cubes. Separate it from extra liquid and keep it aside. Chop all the veggies and fruits into small pieces. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Add the spices according to taste. Lastly, sprinkle a few drops of lemon juice. Relish the summer pineapple salsa that helps in weight reduction. I hope the information on pineapples was useful to you and will try the delicious fruit salsa for your weight reduction diet. Thank you.